Hey everyone, I'm Srini, .NET developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update a record, update a already inserted record from the table in SQLite tutorial. And yeah, now we have two tables, and one is parent, another one is child. And the parent table has two rows, which we already inserted in the previous video, and we are going to update any of this row value now. Yeah, let's get into this. Yeah, I just want to update my name. I just want to update the name of the first row, which has an ID value as one, and I just want to change this name. So um, here I gave the var clause to identify the particular row, and then I just want to update this value as Srinivasan. Instead of the value, we are going to update as Srinivasan. Right, so I'm going to enter now. Yeah, I think that's successfully. Now I just want to execute now, so the name is updated properly, right? And yeah, and again you set the age is 30. If I give without that class, so it will update all the rows. It will update the age of all the rows. So now you can see the age is 30. This is usual. This is usual, like we update the rows from SQL Server, MySQL database. This is the same thing actually. There is nothing is different. Yeah, I hope you can understand. In the next video, I will show you how to delete the rows from the table. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.